guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1/18 diecast model of BMW 5 Series GT by RMZ Models. Okay guys, so I bought this model from ebay.com for $125 including custom and shipping. If you want to buy it, I'll put the link in the description. If you are not already subscribed to the channel for more videos like this, and you can also follow me on Instagram at miniatureautomobile. So let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you have enjoyed the video. If you are not already subscribed to the channel for more videos like this, and Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.